Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging the charger and letting internal capacitors discharge for 2 to 5 minutes. That's crucial for safety. Next, you remove the case with a small Phillips and spudger while grounded on an anti-static mat so you avoid ESD damage. Once open, visually inspect for burnt components and swollen capacitors. Use your multimeter to check for obvious shorts. Make sure to note orientation of polarity for diodes and capacitors. Before desoldering, so reassembly, you now measure the power rail outputs and follow traces to the switching section to know where failures occur, because pinpointing the bad circuit saves time. Once done, test rectifier diodes and switching MOSFET for shorts and measure capacitors for capacitance loss. Replace any with similar or better specs. Make sure to desolder carefully to avoid PCB pad damage, and solder new parts cleanly with the correct polarity and temperature, so thermal stress doesn't create new faults. You reassemble the housing in reverse order, ensuring insulation and screw torque are correct so nothing shifts under load. Then test with a fused power source and a dummy load while monitoring voltage and current. You should see stable 5V and expected current. If readings are off or it trips, check the transformer windings, EMI input filter, and PCB trace continuity because residual damage or cracked traces can cause intermittent failure. One key troubleshooting tip: if it dies under load, swap the dummy load to isolate shorted out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.